We're out here in the middle of this parking lot in the city. About to see what this thing can do in the rain. It's not tuned yet, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna slide, but yeah, the ISR boy is on. Sounds good.
Seatball spinning for you guys. Yeah. Something light, something light.
Alright guys, we about to head to the drift spot right now. We out here with C. We just hit PF. We're gonna see what work this thing puts in before the tune. Keep in mind guys, stock diff, stock tune, and it's slim. This thing doesn't really like to slide, man. It's got 19-inch wheels with fucked up alignment. So if you guys got any recommendations, please drop them in the comments below on what I should do to get this thing really to slide. I've heard welded diff, I've heard smaller wheels. Just drop some comments, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, we're about to see what this thing does. Yo, where we at, man? Tell him.
Where he first fucking fucked up his motor.
Take your fucking mouth off, bro, so they can hear you. What are you doing, bro?
Alright, I shake, guys.
He's trying to... Tell him what we did, bro. We are not getting caught, bro. Cover your plate, y'all. Even if you gotta do it with a rag. Oh yeah, that's right. We gotta put our mask on. No face.
See how to swing that shit.
This shit doesn't want to swing, man, because I feel like, all right, show the truck. He's taking off now. Let's go see. See, it just wants to spin out. Guys, this is what I mean. Give me tips if you have anything. I think we're gonna blow another diff, you guys. Yeah. Fucking 360, ready?
gotta get it tuned, y'all. See y'all when we're tuned.
Alright, so as y'all can see, this thing does not like to slide. So basically what I was saying is drop in the comments, give me some suggestions what I should do to the car to get it to slide better. This is the fitment right now, stance. I do plan on getting it tuned soon. But you guys, there's not gonna be able to, even in the rain, there's not even gonna be able to be that much drift content right now. And it's sad to say it, but we are gonna get this thing right, and we are gonna get this thing swinging good. But the slip stays on. Sometimes the ABS comes on. It hasn't been right now. But these cars are confusing sometimes, and I'm really not sure why it doesn't slide good. But thank you guys for watching and supporting. We are going to continue to push as much car content as possible and get this thing swinging soon for you. Also, if you guys want to work or do any sort of work with the Drifttweakers, collabs, anything, hit my DM on Instagram. It's Drifttweakers, same as YouTube, and let me know if you guys want to get into anything. And that doesn't necessarily need to be drifting. It can be, you know, if you want your car in a video, if you just want to, you know what I'm saying, get some work and get some content. We got Seed out here.
Oh,
always in the fucking G, smoking some chicken. You guys, we're gonna end the video off on a cold start right here. Basically, I haven't came to a complete conclusion. You guys can still give me advice. I think this thing needs the diff to be welded to slide better, guys. It needs a tune as well, obviously. That's gonna come. But like I always say, thank you so much for you guys sticking with me in this G through the journey of modding it and everything. We're definitely gonna, you know, try to find some content for you guys soon. See what's up, see who's trying to work. Like I said, if any of you guys are trying to work, or if you have any things you want to talk about or propose, shoot me a DM on Instagram at Drifttweakers. But enjoy this cold start of the G right now. And until the next one, we'll see you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends.